Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all good. I'm going in with this Kiki London gel polish. Can't remember what it's called, crimson something. I can't remember what it's called. I'll leave it in the description box below if I remember to put it there. But it's a gorgeous sort of like a maroony colour, I want to say. Right, yeah, I'm going with that. I'm doing a real simple set, but we're going to go with some snowflakes as well. But we're not going to do white, we're going to do pink. Yes, we are. We're doing pink snowflakes because these turned out really nice and I did like them. So keep watching. I'll do 2 coats. I'll do the second one off of camera, and I'm also going to go in with some glitter. I choose a rose pink glitter. It is so sparkly, it is blinding. The camera doesn't do it justice at all, but it is really blingy. But I also go in with some raw glitter as well over the top of that, and that is from Sparkle Supplies, and the stickers fell off, but I know it's definitely sparkles, but I can't think of the name of it. But I will check out the website and just double check to see what that's called. This is the rose, pink rose I'm going in with. It really is very blingy. So I just thought I would start this Christmas season off, get into a bit of a vibe, and my throat keeps getting really dry. Yeah, get into a bit of a vibe and start off with something real simple. Yeah, this is super cute. There is some music in the background. I'm sorry if you can hear row, row, row the boat. I had no idea that was what it was, and I've already put it in and I can't take it out. Oh, I'd have to do the video all over again, and I really don't want to. Oh, dear me. It is late at night. Yeah, Sunday night, doing a voiceover. Yeah, we're going to do glitter fade as well, and then we're going to go in with some snowflakes. I did choose a different pink to start with, but it didn't show up so well, so I went in with, ended up going in with a Born Pretty one, I think. So here we are, this is the glitter. It's got that pinky colour in there as well as some gold, and I wanted to bring some gold tones out. And yeah, my discount code is KDN15 for Sparkle Supplies. You'll get 15% off using my code. Go and check out Sparkles because they are amazing. So I'm going to do this one first. I'm going to go in with a second coat. But I'm not going to cure this. I'm going to go in. Oh, there we go. Bring you down a bit. I'm going to go in then with the raw glitter on the top and just spread that out over the nail where I want it. Just sporadically. It's not full cover. Yeah, I didn't want to go in with something too sort of Christmassy or, you know, wintry, I guess. I just wanted to keep it a bit more autumnal, but bring in a bit of a, you know, a few snowflakes. Hopefully you'll see. I think I'll give a close-up of the nail when it's done, because you can't really see it, but it's definitely there and you can see it in real life, that bringing that gold in. If you can just see that slight shimmer in there. Beautiful. So I'm going to do glitter fade on 2 of the nails. So I want the bulk of that gel up at the top, and then I'll just bring it down with my ombre brush, and then we'll go in with some more real glitter. So I'm just using the ombre brush just to bring that glitter down the nail, just feather it out so there's no harsh line there, and then we'll go in with some more of that real glitter and we'll give that a cure. So we'll do that on 2 of the nails, and I'll let you watch this bit. Okay, so I sped that last one up just because it was exactly the same. So I've got this Snowflake stamper, but actually this isn't a very good stamper, and I ended up switching it up to a different one. And this was the first one I'm going to go in with, this Moyu pink. But yeah, it didn't show enough on the nail. So I did switch it up, but I left it in so you could see that things don't always go to plan. Yeah, so this first one, it didn't even pick up, so I did have a couple of other ones on there, and I thought, oh, I'll try these. And you'll see in a moment that you could barely see the snowflake. I should have zoomed back in. Yeah, really, I wasn't happy with that. So, first of all, the plate is rubbish. And probably one of those ones off Shein, I think. So yeah, wipe that one up. Now I'm going in with a different pink from Born Pretty. I've chose a different snowflakes just to try a different image, and again really wasn't happy with that plate at all, so that'll probably end up going in the bin. So digging out another one. I'm going to go in with a bigger one here. And just wipe off my stamper because I forgot to do that. I wish I'd have zoomed in. I don't know why it keeps going out and in and out. Oh, I don't know. I'm still getting used to this new setup. It's just different. I can't see my camera as well. but this one definitely stood out more, and they really turned out so cute. Yeah, different, not overly festive, not festive at all really. Snowflakes are not always associated with Christmas, are they? It's just a wintry thing, so these are kind of autumnal, going into that winter season. Still got that warmish colour tones in there, so yeah, I was really happy with the way they turned out. So on the other two plain nails, I'm going to go in with a group of snowflakes. I'm just going to place those. This is another different plate. I think this was from Beauty Big Bang, this square one. So yeah, I was going to go in and do that, and then I thought, oh no, actually I'll take away some of the bits that I don't want, because I don't want a whole nail. I just want snowflakes sporadically placed, if that makes any sense. And I was thinking, no, it's too harsh lines, so I'll take off some more. I'll get there in the end. I was thinking, oh, it's not going to work now because I'm faffing about and it's going to dry on the stamper, but I still got the tacky layer on the two of the other nails, so it wasn't so bad. It did help to stick it. So I'll do that again as well on the other plain nail. I'll work a little bit quicker this time, now I know what I'm doing. Anyway, tell me what you think of these set. Well, at the end, let me know what you think. It's always nice to get some feedback, and yeah, if you like it, do give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please do consider subscribing, because that would be awesome. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and yeah, helping my channel grow slowly, but getting there. Right, so I've had a tidy up. Now we're going to top coat. I still feel like I'm a million miles away. Yeah, I'm going to go in with a top coat, and then I'll show you what they look like at the end. Oh, there was a little bit on there of the stamper which I wanted to get rid of, because I don't want that bit there. So I'm just going to wipe that away. Just wipe that away with a bit of acetone. And now we can go in with some top coat. So I'll speed this bit up and I'll see you at the end. And here is the finished look. I loved them. I thought it was different and they're cute, and yeah, autumnal still. Just got that nice transition going on, a few snowflakes in pink, because why not, like I said. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.